34 minutes ago, the National Hurricane Center issued its postseason analysis of Hurricane Ian. They do this with every storm. And of course, we were waiting to get the final report for them to see if there were any changes, going back and looking at the data as the storm moved on shore.
Yeah, one of the biggest things that we notice as we are still going through that 72-page report is now Hurricane Ian, as it was moving through the Gulf of Mexico several hours, about 7 hours to be exact, did strengthen into a Category 5 hurricane with wind speeds at 161 miles per hour.
Well, let's be clear. The landfall here in Southwest Florida didn't change. It was still a Category 4. But when you and I were on air the morning of that storm, we saw it go through that eye wall replacement cycle, which shows those signs of strengthening. Very brief interaction with Cuba. It got over the warm Gulf of Mexico. And we were wondering if, looking back in post-analysis, if they got a little more data, if they would upgrade it. And they did. A Category 5 early, about roughly 8 o'clock in the morning, made landfall some 7 hours later. It was a powerful, massive storm.
Yeah, and it really doesn't change much for us here in Southwest Florida, but really it does speak to the strength and the magnitude of this storm. Hurricane Ian making landfall at Cayo Costa at 3:05 p.m. on September 28th. Definitely a storm we will never forget.
Yeah, we're just thankful that it weakened a little bit in that 7-hour stretch. And of course, we'll continue to go through the other I think we've got 67 pages still to read, and we'll let you know if we see any other changes, Amy.